Now, there's nothing wrong with using drum loops to make your Amapiano beats, but let me show you a simple Amapiano drum pattern that you can make with just a few clicks in FL Studio. If you're new, hit the subscribe button down below and let's get started. Right here, we're going to set the tempo. Typically, Amapiano is between 110 to 115 BPM. So I'm going to use 113, that's 113 BPM. And I'm going to have a simple rhythm. I already have my sounds pre-selected. I have my kick, I have my percussion, my rims, and then my hats and my shaker. So to create a simple rhythm, just click this kick right here, then click this kick right here, and we'll have another one right here and this one right here. Nice rhythm already. Now we're going to have our percussion laying in here. Then we're going to have this again. A really simple rhythm, right? So I'm going to come again right here and then have my rim shot layer at this point right here. Then I can have this laying right here like this, like a typical rim shot pattern. Then next I can have my open hat. So next I can have my shaker. So I'll just drop this right here and have this shaker loop. And just like that, you've made your own Amapiano drum pattern. And these drums were made entirely from the Ultimate Amapiano drum kit, which you can get on our website. You can click the link in the description of this video. If you find this helpful, like and follow for more.